What is up, world? It's your boy Big Hurt back once again, your favorite cook. And today we're gonna be cooking for y'all some homemade cornbread. Let's show you how we get down with your ingredients. You're gonna need some yellow cornmeal, some flour, some baking powder, 2 eggs, some salt, some milk, and some butter. You're gonna need your cooking dish and a mixing bowl. And so let's get started mixing. Okay, for your dry ingredients, we're gonna start off with 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, a half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now the wet ingredients: 2 eggs, which I've already added, a cup of milk. It usually calls for buttermilk, but I don't have buttermilk, and you can use regular milk. And a teaspoon of melted butter. Get the mixing. And this is how the mixer should look after you got all your ingredients mixed together. I melt half a stick of butter and pour it into your casserole dish. And work it around, make sure you coat the sides and everything. Now preheat your oven to 400. Pour your batter into your casserole dish, and I preheated my oven. Going into the oven for about 20 minutes. We'll be back. There it is, you guys. My cornbread, homemade cornbread. And when I took it out the oven, I got a little piece of butter and rubbed the piece of butter all over the top. It broke up a little bit around the sides, but it's still cool. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, tell Big Hurt how he doing, and Big Hurt on the checkout. Yeah.